Lovely.
What did you get?
Just some energy drink today. I don't feel great, bro. So, you know, see if it can help me out a little bit.
Did you get your yellow Red Bull?
No, there weren't any. So, an original nicotine. Good old school.
That's not an energy drink.
Yeah, well, it's just full of sugar to help me out, hopefully.
Yeah.
Make me feel a little bit better. I'm a little bit under the weather at the moment. But
Too much work.
Too much work, yeah. Not enough work. Dad's saying. Good morning, guys. Viva Las Vegas. Good morning, guys. This is LBC Aaron calling. We're representing LBC, so we've got to be professional. Lovely morning, isn't it? Absolutely lovely. Let's get these out there, good boy, lad. Safety is key. Hello guys, we're here today. We're here to do this lovely roof up here. We're just steam cleaning and then we'll apply a treatment on biocide. By the looks of it, it isn't too bad, but it's going to come up like a dream. Do you want to come and have a look? Come back over here. Yeah, so we're steaming this roof today with my man Jim. Jimbo, say hello to everyone.
Hello everyone.
Trust you. So we're up there. We've got we're removing the moss, the white lichen, the dirt. It's going to come up like a dream. So it's not too bad. It's just a small one today, up and over. But what do you think, Jim?
Yeah, we should fly through. It should come up well.
Yeah, lovely. So we are working on the terrace house today. So the issue today, we have a neighbour either side of the
houses. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that we go into their gardens and make sure that we clean out the back and out with.
And not getting run over.
We also need to clean up the fronts. So on either side of the house, we're going to have to make sure that one, the neighbours are notified, and two, that we get in to make sure that the property is left nice and clean afterwards, so that everyone's happy. We'll have to go through the house and work from the back, but Aaron should be able to go up and over with the cherry picker.
You guys, you're going to just go and have a little word with the neighbour. Just going to go introduce ourselves to the neighbour.
Figure it out. I'm just going to go to the neighbour here and knock on their door.
Yeah.
Also, I was thinking, would I bring the sky pack through now and empty out those gutters now?
Yeah, you can do
And
while
then-
I get set up.
And then that way, when it's empty now, it just means that there's...
Or straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. What I might do, I'm going to check these guys quickly though. Enter these guys.
Yes, I'm just going to take a few minutes just to totally empty.
Let me take this off. I'm just going to go and have a quick look. Plus I need a cable tie. I got up there before we done the roof clean, just to clear out the gutters. So when we're doing it, the water's going to flow down the downpipe. And what we've done, we put a gutter stop in there to prevent any more moss going into the actual downpipes, into your sewers, into your drainage, I should say. But it's important to get your gutters clean, because this is how much. And that was only for what, 12 meters of guttering. So imagine that going into down your downpipes, into your drainage. It can block up your drains, cause a nightmare. Or if you don't get your gutters emptied, you'll have water overflowing into your fascia soffits, and that can cause damp and damage to your house. So it's good to get a gutter clean once a year, twice yearly, just to keep everything flowing and prevent any damage. Right, let's get this baby on the road. Issue, like, it's crazy. They're going to have the same issue all the way along the gutters, Jim. But it is what it is. It's coming up alright though. Just a shame about the water, man. These are the problems we've got to deal with.
What happened?
Well, so we've run out of water in our machine, so the water supply can't keep up with our machine. So now we've got to wait 15-20 minutes. What I do, I'll make sure that's filled right up, and then I can crack on and not stop. So, and then like I was saying, you know the gutters earlier on?
Yeah.
So this is the issue you have. So they are blocked underneath. So where there's been so moss over the years going down into the drainage, we've got a gutter stop up there. So none of our moss is going down there. The water's going down there, but it's so blocked, it's just coming back up on itself. So we're going to see if we can rectify it.
Coming back.
Yeah, the water's coming back up, but they're going to have the problem with all of these, I guess, because there's so much moss going into the gutters. So yeah. It is what it is.
You have to clean everyone's gutter.
No, I'm not, but I like to. I'll look after him, it's alright. You're in safe hands, mate, don't worry. We'll see about that. Jim, wait there for a second. I just want to check Right, we're going to go to the back. On, baby. Ready? Yeah. might not get allowed up in because of the weight. Oh, you're gonna have to go down, bro.
Oh yeah?
Yes, because of where we want to boom up and right over, this is a weight limit. So if I go all the way up and over, we have loads of sensors on it, so it won't let me go any further. Look, you see this red light?
Okay.
So unfortunately,
Because of our heavy.
yeah,
we are
yeah,
together.
you are fat. Maybe I need to watch your biscuits. Nice little view,
like
isn't it? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is a bug.
Relaxing, bro. You know, you're up here, you're just, you know, just being you, ain't you? Just chilling.
Away from the crazy.
Away, mate. You get into your own little world, bro. Like, just chilling. It's therapeutic, to be fair. It's lovely, man. Like, I love it. Been doing this for a couple of years now, and it's lovely, man. Like, absolutely lovely. Roofs, I love doing. This is my favourite job, man.
In your element.
Oh, mate, I'm well in my element here, bro. Like, I love it. Just a shame. I'd love to do a roof every day, mate. I'd work 7 days a week if I had a roof every day. Like, literally, I love it.
Yeah. That's a
Yeah, no, it's good. It's
pretty
good.
satisfying job.
Oh, mate, the results are incredible, you know, like, it's brilliant. So, we'll do this little bit here, bud. You're not too fat to go this fast, so it's alright. Up. We'll have to stay down here now. I'm going to go do this guy here quickly. I'll warm up there, I'll bring it up there, do that, and then I'll do the buyer side. Yeah. Then we're finished off the rest, yeah? So I don't spray you. well, biocide helps prevent regrowth of moss, kills any bacteria like it, you know, so it will eventually grow back, but it prevents it for up to 5 years, maybe longer, depending where you live, you know. So yeah, buddy, just gonna go treat the roof with that. When the roof is complete, then we just got to do the little tidy up. So a little present for you. What's that? So we got an X-Jet. There's different ways you can do it. So some people use a long telescopic pole and they feed it through that.
Yeah.
But I've got an X-Jet where I'm quite close to it anyway. I'm just going to spray it with the X-Jet. Nice low pressure. So. And this is an X-Jet over here, baby. We've got our little setup. We did that into the biocide. Did that into the biocide, attached that, and then yeah, we treat the roof. Well, once the UV hits it, it does slightly change the colour, you know, so it just brightens up the property. So yeah, it's not too good, not too bad. I mean, not too good, not too bad. Ah, feels like it's Friday already. You're very happy. Yeah, we do the best we can, mate.
Yeah,